Alright, back with another lift. Just to let y'all boys know, birthday coming in, right? We're gonna get some gym equipment for home, and we're gonna start working out there more. The only reason I really been going to the gym is because I got like more resources type, right? Here, curled the 45s for 2, right? And I'm telling y'all boys, we are making so much progress. Like, I never thought I would be curling these 45s, but now I am, right? Second set, I went 40, curled them for 2. Tried to keep as strict form as possible. The only thing I don't like about, like, these dumbbells, really, is y'all see when I go for the curl, right? Like, my arm has to kind of be out at the start because, you know, if I just, like, swing it straight up, like, the back of the dumbbell is going to hit my leg. That's the only reason why I really don't like the super big ones. And I would, like, rather prefer it. Like, you know, those dumbbells that are, like, made out of, like, silver or metal, like, they're just way, like, thinner. So you can just fit them around your waist even easier. I went at 35 for the third set. Because the first 2 sets, I did, like, 2 reps. So, you know, you got to follow up with more reps. Here, I did 65 for 3 on cable curls. I got this for 5 fresh last arm day. Fresh, though. We did 3 bicep sets before this, so I definitely know I progressed. One thing I just want to note, though, just to add this in there, I'm getting metal plates and stuff like that and, like, micro load plates for the home gym. So, like, we can actually progress on bench, squat, etc. So, you know, it's fine. And the thing is, like, once I get these metal plates, because the thing is so much easier to, like, hit legs or do any type of movement on, like, weighted dips, weighted pull-ups with, like, metal because they're so thin, right? Because, like, rubber, they're big as hell. So if I have, you know, if I have a metal one, it's not going to be that big. And I'm going to be able to, like, you know, like, actually fit it on the machine. Because the leg extension, if y'all watch, like, my older videos, y'all know that leg extension is, like, impossible to do with the rubber plates. I'm about to put y'all on game, though. This reverse curl right here is, like, this actually might be, like, the best movement for, like, the brachioradialis and the brachialis. Like, the hammer curl and this basically do the same thing. But the thing I tweaked about this is, like, I mean, obviously I didn't create this, but I've seen somebody do it. But what this does is it creates, so your brachialis and your brachioradialis have the best leverage when it's, like, bent, right? So if you start at the bottom, you're going to get, like, not the best leverage on your brachialis. But if you have it, like, at, like, a kind of a dead stop, like, kind of, like, almost midway, then it's going to have the best leverage. And, like, it's kind of turn into, like, a descending resistance profile. And that's what I like about this exercise. And I just feel my brachioradialis and my brachialis just get worked so much during this. Like, I'm definitely preferring this over hammer curls, too. But, like, obviously, when we train at home, we'll do hammer curls. It's not going to make, like, a huge significant difference. It's just, like, enjoyability, like, what I prefer more, etc. And I did this last session, too. But it was with, like, a D handle. And, like, the D handle, like, impossible to do it with because, you know, your wrist is, like, the limiting factor, literally. You can't control it. You got to use a cuff. So, yeah. That's pretty much it for biceps, to be honest. We progressed on biceps for sure. I did not know the 45 was going to move up that well, to be honest. I only thought I was going to PR it for, like, 1. But then I realized the first rep low-key moved up good. So I could have got a second one. And I ended up getting a second one. So I'm definitely taking that W with me. One thing for shoulders that I did, though. My delts low-key been just cooked recently. So I only did a shoulder press, which is fine. Because if y'all know biomechanics and studies, if y'all ever research, like, shoulder studies, like how shoulders are affected during shoulder presses, etc., y'all will know how they work. And y'all know in the shoulder press that your side delts also get worked. So my side delts were already feeling kind of cooked. So I honestly just chose a dumbbell shoulder press. I haven't done that in a minute. So I chose a dumbbell shoulder press and ended up just, you know, doing that. 4 reps for the first set. I think the second one I got like 5 or 6. Y'all gonna see it right here. So I picked a dumbbell. I felt this in my side delts a lot too. So honestly, I just didn't really feel like doing any type of lateral raise movement. And rear delts, I hit rear delts yesterday with the row that I was doing. So, but when we start training at home and stuff, I'm definitely gonna start incorporating, you know, isolations for those like movements, because it's not gonna be as efficient. But anyway, Triceps was kind of boring too. I feel like biceps was definitely the best part of this lift, for sure. Triceps was like, I gotta fix my JM press form a little bit too, because it's like the first set. Well, not even the first set, like both sets. Like I want to do my JM presses as like, I want to have it like kind of like, if the bar like lets go, like it's gonna hit my throat basically, right? But like instead it's like hitting my chest to upper chest when I do my JM presses, and I don't want it like that. I want to have mine like hitting my like either face level or like neck level. And the thing is, the only problem when I do that is that I always find myself sliding up the bench. So I think I'm probably just gonna have to do a form reset, lower the weight, and lock in with the form, and then just progress from there, because you know that's what you have to do sometimes. Sometimes you just have to lower the weight and get the form down and standardize your form, and then progress with that form over time, and then you'll get stronger, and you know you'll get better at maintaining that form. I mean, I still hit triceps. I still felt it all in my triceps here, so it wasn't really a problem for me. I wasn't thinking much of it at the time, but now I am. So you know, just reflecting on it, thinking about what could I done better. So here, my triceps were, I don't know why, my triceps were just so cooked, bro. I just ended up doing a lightweight to failure, on this tricep unilateral extension. Yes, we are hitting abs, doing cardio and stuff like that. I just don't really record those because they're kind of boring. And like abs at the end of my workout, sometimes I low-key just do an ab crunch machine and I just call it a day. And then some days I'll do a decline ab sit-up. Some days I'll do knee raises. You know, it really just depends how I'm feeling. I mean, I already have abs. And, you know, I should really be focused on them more. And I won't lie, I'm slacking on abs with, like, the progressive overload and, like, base. But, you know, it's fine. We gonna get back locked in with those in a minute. So, anyway, hope y'all enjoyed the video. It's coming to an end. And I'll see y'all on tomorrow's leg day. And I'm telling y'all boys right now, when I get this equipment, we gonna be so locked in. Just wait. We gonna hit 150 lean, 155 lean. I promise y'all. Just give me by the end of the year. Give me time. Anyway, hope y'all enjoy it. Let's go.